Hello students, you are welcome back to my class today. I'm still remain Mr. James. Today I'm going to take you on the subject mathematics. Topic for today is fraction on the number line. Fraction on the number line. What do we mean by fraction on the number line? Fraction on the number line means to split the integer into equal parts. Fraction on the number line means to split the integer into equal parts. To find the place of fraction of 1/2 on the number line, we divide the distance between 0 and 1 by 2. Before I went on, what do we mean by integer? When we talk about integer are the number, are the whole number, like 0, 1, 2, minus 25, they are the integer. When we talk the number that are not integer are 1/2, 1/5, 1/3/5. So these are the number that these number are not integer. But when we talk about integer number are the number, are the whole number. Integer number are the whole number. Now, yes, I said before that the number that are integer are like number like 0, 1, 2, minus 25. These are the whole number. Now, when we talk about the number that are not integer, are number like 1/2, 3/5, 5/10. These are not integer number. So integer number are the whole number. Now let's move on to find the place of fractions of 1/2. 1/2 is not integer number. As I write here for you as an example, I wrote here. I said 1/2 is not integer number. Now, to find the place of fractions of 1/2 on the number line, we divide the distance between 0 and 1 by 2. To find the place of fractions of 1/2 on the number line, we divide the distance between 0 and 1 by 2. Then draw the line where the divisions fall. Draw the line where the division fall. Now let's see this. This is line. This is line. I've write it here already, but for you to understand what I mean here, I will have to try to write it again here. This is a line. This is a line. Now, I said to find 1/2 on the number line, you have to divide the line by 2. You divide the line by 2. Now, this line from here is 0 and here is 1. Now, from 0 to 1, because it is 1/2, you have to divide line by 2. Now, from here to here is now 1. From here to here is now 2. Now, but they ask you to find 1/2, so you write your 1/2 where this division is being made. The point of division here, you write your 1/2 here. Now, note this. Note this. The distance between 0 and 1 is 10 digits. You have to know this, that the distance between 0 and 1 is 10 digits. We have 10 digits between 0 and 1. That is why I write it here for you to know that we have 10 digits between 0 and 10. So from 0 to 1, we have 10 digits. You can, as you can see it on the board, from 0 to this place, to this point is 1. Like you are taking a step. Like you are taking a step. You take one step from 0 to this place, give you one step. You move by taking another step from here to this place, to this point is now 2. Let's count together now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 digits from 0 to 1. If you understand it to this point, let's look on this following example. The question is, draw the number line that corresponds to the following fractions. Draw the number line that corresponds to the following fraction. 1 over 5. 1 over 5. With this example, and looking onto this second example, you have to know how to work this out. Now, here you draw line. Don't forget, you draw what? You draw the line. But now you want to find the fractions of 1 over 2 on the number line. Now, from this point is 0. This point is 1. How can you find the number 1 over 5 on the number line? You have to divide the distance between 0 to 1 by 5. You have to what? To divide the distance between 0 and 1 by 5. Now, let's divide it. From here to this place, let's say is 1 now. You move from here, you take second step, you take, let's dig it again. From 0 to this place, 1. Now, 2, 3, 4, and 5 number will be here. Now, we have to find 1 over 5. As you can see it, you move from here to this, from this point to this point is 1. So your 1 over 5 has to be here. 1 over 5. So this is place numbers of the fraction 1 over 5. This is the place of the number line of the fractions 1 over 5. Now, let's find the place of the fractions 3 over 6. We did the same thing. We write the line. And we have a 0 point to 1. Now, how can we find 3 over 6 on the number line? We divide the line, the distance between 1 and 6 by 6. We divide the distance between 0 and 1 by 6. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have already did it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how can we now find the number line? 3 over 6 on the number line. Let's move. You count this 3. Now, 1, 2, 3. Mean 3 over 6 has to be here. 3 over 6 has to be here. We found 3 over 6 here. This is the place of 3 over 6. Now, the third example. The place that corresponds to 4 over 8 on the number line. Let's try to find it. We draw the line. And this is 0, point of 0, and this is point of 1. To find the number line of 4 over 8, we have to divide the distance between 0 and 1 by 8. We have to divide it into 8 places. Now, let's divide it from 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 0 point. From a 0 you take one step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this, now we have already finished to divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 8. Now we have to find 4/8 on the number line. 4/8 on the number line. It's easy because without counting you have to know that this is 4 and all line is divided into 8. So you write 4/8. Last example, 2/5. We have to divide. We have to find the place of 2/5 on the line. You draw the line as we have did before and divide the distance between 0 and 1 into how many places? Into 5. Now this is from 0 to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now without stress yourself, 2/5 is already indicated on the line. So this is 2 and all number is 5. All the line is 5. So this is 2. Now you have 2/5. So that is that about the fractions on the number line. I believe you understand up to this level. So thank you for watching my YouTube class. God bless you. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please try to subscribe and like our video. God bless you. Thank you.